So, my dear children, please keep in mind one thing. When you write dates, you have to use ordinal numbers like 23rd October, January 26th, October 2nd, February 1st. Like that, you have to use ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Like that, ordinal numbers. Last year you have learned ordinal numbers. What is ordinal numbers? What is ordinal numbers? Can anybody? Sorry?
First, second, third,
That is
fourth.
that okay. What are they? What are they? Dear children.
Short form.
Sorry?
Short form.
That is short form. What do you mean by ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers means, my dear children, if we want to tell position or order of something, we will use ordinal numbers. Last year you have learned that is the first, second, third, fourth. That are the position. Okay. If you want to say position or order of something, order, we will use first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Like that, to say dates also, you have to use ordinal number. Okay. Now, everybody open your book. We can do few questions.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon.
And test.
Last 5 minutes, test will be there, dear. Okay. Now, Meha, please unmute. Yes. Read question number 13. A. Observe the calendar and answer the following question. A, you have to read. A. Mm. 2019. Okay, the dates which fall on Sundays. My dear children, all of you check where the Sundays are coming. Where? Here it is not. Here is Sunday. Yes, dear. Dear, don't say 6, 13, 20, 27. You have to say 6th. How you write 6th? You have to write 6 and top one th. 6th, 13th. 15 is there. After 6, 13, what is 20th and 27th. Okay. So these are Sundays. Now, Meha can mute your audio. Now, Rahul, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
B, question B.
B. On which date is the first Sunday after 17th of October?
Yes, first Sunday after 17th of October. So 17th of October, where it is coming? Here. That is on Thursday.
Thursday.
So after that, when is Sunday coming? Which date Sunday is coming? So 17th Thursday. After 17th, when is
Then third.
Sorry,
Third.
I am asking Sunday after 17th, the date 17th, when Sunday is coming. Sunday. So 17th Thursday, 18th after 17th, 18th is the next date. 18th is Friday, 19th
20th.
is Saturday. Yes. 20th is the 20th. You have to say 20th.
28th.
20,
20th.
not 28, it is 20th. Okay.
20th.
20th of the same
20th
month,
of
20th of October. So all of you
October.
write B, 20th October. 20th of October.
20th.
When you write
Oh.
day or month, you have to use first letter, capital letter. Use first letter, capital letter. Now, Nia, please unmute.
Yes,
Question,
ma'am.
question number 14, you have to read. Observe the calendar of October 2019 and answer the following questions.
On which date and day does Gandhi Jayanti fall?
Yes. Do you know, dear, when is Gandhi Jayanti?
Ma'am, 2nd October.
Very good, very good. So, you have to write date and day. Date is,
Wednesday.
sorry, dear,
Wednesday.
the same calendar you have to use. Yes, Wednesday, yes, yes. So, October 2nd is the date. October
2nd.
2nd is the date. October. October 2nd is the date. After that, the day is Wednesday. Day is Wednesday. October 2nd is the date. The day is Wednesday. Yes, Nia. Now, update. Wait here. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question B.
Ma'am.
Wait, dear. My dear children, please keep in mind the calendar. You have to use the previous calendar, the previous question calendar, like this one. October 2nd. See, Wednesday, W-E-D, Wednesday. Don't use the calendar down to that. This is the calendar we have to use. 13th question calendar. Yes.
Ma'am.
You can read question B.
List out the dates which fall on Saturdays in October 2019.
Yes. Where is Saturday? Here is Saturday.
5th.
5th. Very good. Saturday.
12th. 19th.
Very good.
26th.
Yes, very good here. Very, very good. So these are the dates you have to write for question B. 5th, 12th, 19th, and 26th. 5th, 12th, 19th, and 26th. Fifth, 12th, 19th, and 26th. Okay. Next question. Dan, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Read 15th question A.
Ma'am, in which book?
Workbook part 2.
Ma'am, I didn't take it.
Next day onwards, be ready with the workbook. Okay. It's okay.
Yes,
Please complete the workbook before next class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From the screen, can you read the question?
Yes,
A.
ma'am. A list
Uh,
the days
uh,
on the
uh,
4th,
uh,
17th,
uh,
19th, and
uh.
23rd of April 2019.
Okay. So, fourth when is coming here. What is
Thursday.
the day? You have to write day over here. Day. What is the day there?
Thursday.
Thursday. So all of you write Thursday. So fourth is on Thursday. 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 After that, yes dear, you can mute your audio. Benedict, please unmute. When is 17th? 17th. What is the day on 17th?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. You can copy it, Dan. You can copy it in a rough book, in your rough book. Now, Ryan Harris, please unmute. When is 19th day? The day falls on 19th. 19th. When is the
Friday.
Friday? Friday. Friday. Use capital letters in the beginning. Sheba, please unmute. When is 23rd?
Yes, ma'am.
When is 23rd?
Tuesday.
Yes, Tuesday and Tuesday respectively. Okay, now Muhammad Ihsan, please unmute and read next question. B.
On which date does the fourth Sunday fall?
Sorry, B. Question B I am asking, dear. Question
On
B.
which date does the second Saturday after 11th April fall?
Yes. Adi Shankar, please unmute. Yes. This is 11th April. 11th April is coming on which day? Which day it is coming? 11th April, Thursday. The question is, after 11th April, when is the second Saturday? So 11th April is Thursday. 12th is which day? Friday. 13th is?
Saturday.
That is the first Saturday after 11th. So when is the second Saturday then? Don't say. See, these are Saturdays. So after 13th, which is the second Saturday?
20.
Don't, others, please keep your audio muted. Adi Shankar? 20. Don't say 20. It is 20th. When you say dates, you should use ordinal numbers. 20th. Okay. So 20th April. All of you right? 20th April. Now, next question. Qualby, please unmute. Question C. Read.
Which days appear 5 times in this month?
5 times. Which all days appear 5 times in the month? My dear children, what about Sunday? How many times it is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it is coming. What about Monday? How many times it is coming? 5 times. So Monday is coming 5 times. So for question C, you can write Monday. Then what about Tuesday? How many times coming? 5. So Tuesday is there. Okay. Then what about Wednesday? How many times it is coming? 4 times only. So we can't write. What about Thursday? Thursday, how many? 4 times only. Friday? 4. Saturday? So, which all are the days? Monday and Tuesday. These days are coming 5 times. Now, Anandita, please read next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Question D.
How many days
No. 15th question D.
on which date does the fourth Sunday fall?
Yes. In this month, when is 4th Sunday fall?
28.
Very good. First, second, third, fourth. Fourth Sunday is on 28th. Month also you have to write April. 28th April. April. Okay. My dear children.
Finish.
Yes.
Are you all ready for the test?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if anybody is there to complete, I will send through WhatsApp. You can complete from there. Now, everybody close your book. Keep it aside. Close your book. Keep it aside. Don't open. And you can keep a rough book in front of you because you have to do some calculations. So please keep your rough book in front of you. Okay, ready? Ready? Yes or no? Show me a thumbs up, those who are ready. Okay. So I'm going to send the link. All of you see the chat box. Check whether you got the link. If you have any doubt, you can unmute and ask me.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
I didn't get the link.
I'll send it once again. Don't worry. Please wait. Once again, you check.
Yes.
Have you got the link now?
Yes.
Okay, start doing. And those who have completed and submitted, they can leave the class. Be careful when you are doing. Don't make any mistake.
Ma'am, some disturbance are coming.
Sorry?
One disturbance are coming.
You, dear children, please mute your audios.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
I didn't get the link.
What happened? Check. Those who have submitted, they can leave the class.
Ma'am, I finished.
Very good.
Can I leave?
Yes, yes, you can leave.
ma'am, I finished.
Yes, those who finish can leave the class.
Ma'am, I finished.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye. They can leave the
Bye,
class.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, those who have submitted, you can leave. Thank you. Hope you all have got the link. Now, anybody is remaining to get the link?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Okay, my dear children, those who are remaining can do the test, take your own time and submit. If you can't submit, I will send the link, same link through WhatsApp. So I'm going to wind up the class. Thank you, my dear children. Bye.
Ma'am, I finish.
Okay, very good. How much mark you got?
10.
Very good. Very good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.